The letter M formation. We write the uppercase letter M like this. From the dot, we do a standing line down and stop. Touch the dot again and do a slanting line down. Continue with another slanting line up and do a standing line down and stop. We write the lowercase letter M like this. From the dot, we do a standing line down, continue up, 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 and do a curved line down, another up, up, curved line, and standing line down and stop. Letter M. M says M says